I'll ask this question again. Of the 9.1 billion of European sales in 2011, what were your sales in the UK in 2011?
If I may, I'll give the same reply to the committee. I will come back to the committee, and it's possible to disclose that figure. Disclose that.
Can you say that again?
I will come back to the committee. I will see whether it's possible to disclose that figure. We have not disclosed those figures ever publicly, either on a country basis or on a website basis.
What's it so confidential what your earnings are by country? I might be missing something, being a generalist, but what's the secret that pertains to country by country data?
Yes, this is how we've disclosed our financial data over a number of years now. We have never broken out revenues on a country by country.
So what are you hiding?
We're not hiding anything, Chair. And I said I'm very happy to come back to the Chair on a confidential basis and see whether it's possible to disclose that data.
That's the most ridiculous answer I've heard on months and months and months on this committee. It's just pathetic. Of the 9.1 billion sales you made in 2011, you said you made £20 million after tax. What did you make before tax?
I would assume, again, going back to the figures, as we had a tax expense that was around 8 million, that we're making a profit of the two combined, but I need to check.
So you made a profit of 30 million on revenue of 9 billion. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. Well, no. We made. What I'm saying is we made an after-tax profit of 20 million on that specific.
So what was your profit before tax?
Before tax, I don't have that specific number there, but I'm happy to provide it.
We don't have anything. I mean, honestly, you come to us with absolutely no information. What's your job?
So I'm Director of Public Policy for Amazon across Europe.
Well, I mean, I think what we will continue this afternoon, but I think what we're going to have to do is order somebody to come who can give us answers to the questions we ask. And we will order somebody to appear before us who does that, because it's just not acceptable. I don't know what you take us for, but we're not. We need proper answers to perfectly proper questions which are trying to establish the economic activity in this country, and therefore what would be a reasonable corporation tax due. That's our job. The idea that you come here simply don't answer the questions, pretend ignorance, is just not on. It's awful.